Yeah, I found the scripture. It's in Luke 21 and 24. It says, and they shall fall by the edge of the sword, we as the Israelites, and shall be led away captive into all nations. You said, when we fell in 70 AD, Mashiach warning us. He said, they shall fall by the edge of the sword and shall be led away captive into all nations. And Jerusalem shall be trodden down of the Gentiles, these other nations, until the times of the Gentiles be fulfilled. And we nearing that time, y'all. But it's going to be, until the times of the Gentiles be fulfilled. They only got so long to rule. That's why I showed you in Revelation 12 and 12. The devil know he got a short time. Everybody worshiping him that's ruling in the earth. He showed them all the kingdoms of the world. Told them, I showed them, all the kingdoms of the world, say all could be thine if you bow down and worship me. So that's what they're doing. But he's telling us we're gonna fall by the edge of the sword and shall be led away captive into all nations. That's why when I was in